Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make nachos veg updated. Preheat oven to 200 degrees C and arrange tortilla chips in a single layer on a baking tray. Scatter drained black beans, sliced jalapenos, and grated cheddar-style vegan cheese evenly over chips. Drizzle with olive oil and sprinkle smoked paprika and salt. Bake until cheese melts and edges crisp. Finish with chopped cilantro, diced tomatoes, and a squeeze of lime. Layering tips make your nachos sing, so start with sturdy chips and build in thirds. Add beans, vegan cheese, and vegetables between layers to ensure even heat and flavor. For extra crunch, finish under the broiler for 1 to 2 minutes, watching closely. Serve with guacamole, salsa, and dairy-free sour cream for balanced textures. Adjust spice with chopped jalapenos or a drizzle of hot sauce for desired heat every time. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple vegan recipes. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading recipes anywhere, even with messy fingers, and it's light to hold while you cook. I'll pop a link and a short coupon note there. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for supporting the channel, and now let's get back to the video. Plating matters, so use a large platter and spoon toppings where guests can help themselves. Offer bowls of pico de gallo, guacamole, and pickled onions for variety and freshness. Add protein options like seasoned tempeh crumbles or refried beans for heartier plates. Keep napkins and small plates handy because nachos can get messy. Pair with a crisp cerveza or iced tea to balance spice and richness for a complete meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.